Hey, ever wonder why you can't look away from a car crash? Or why that last-second sports highlight gets replayed a million times? It's not just morbid curiosity or a love of sports. There's a powerful, almost primal force at play, deeply rooted in how our brains are wired. And understanding it is the secret to creating content that people can't help but watch. I'm talking about the magnetic pull of the near miss. Number 1, the psychology of almost. Social cognition research has made a fascinating discovery. Our attention is powerfully drawn to situations where success was this close, but ultimately didn't happen. These near-miss outcomes trigger something profound in our brains. Think about it, that basketball shot that rims out at the buzzer, the business deal that collapses at the very last minute, or the lottery ticket that's one number off. These moments are far more captivating than outright failures. But here's where it gets truly mind-bending. It's not just about the disappointment, it's about the potential. The tantalizing possibility that with just a little bit of luck the outcome could have been completely different. Number 2, the science behind the addiction. Why are near misses so powerful? Scientists believe it taps into our reward system, the same system that lights up when we win, achieve something, or even eat something delicious. A near miss activates this system just enough to get our attention. It creates a sense of anticipation, excitement, and even a craving for that elusive victory. It's like a psychological hook reeling us in. It's why casinos make so much money. Slot machines are programmed to deliver frequent near misses because those almost-won scenarios keep players hooked far longer than outright losses. Number 3, crafting content that captivates. So, how can you use this to create videos that grab attention and keep viewers glued to the screen? The key is to understand and exploit the near-miss effect. Think about reality TV shows. The moments that go viral aren't usually the outright successes or the complete failures. They are the moments where a contestant almost wins, almost says the right thing, or almost avoids disaster. The suspense is key. Financial trading stories are similar. A trader who almost made a killing but then lost it all. That's far more compelling than someone who steadily made a small profit or who suffered a catastrophic loss from the start. Consider this unexpected connection. Even documentaries use this technique. They build suspense, showing you how someone almost achieved their goal only to face an unexpected setback. This keeps you emotionally invested. Number 4, the ethical considerations. It's important to note, while this effect is powerful, it should be used ethically. Don't create misleading content that exploits people's emotions or sets unrealistic expectations. The goal is to create captivating content that authentically uses the near-miss effect to enhance engagement, not to manipulate viewers. The hidden layer most people miss is that authenticity fosters trust. Trust builds long-term engagement. Number 5, practical takeaways. Here are a few ways to incorporate the near-miss effect into your video content. Create suspense by highlighting the possibility of success or failure. Show the challenges and obstacles that your subject faces. Focus on the moments where they come close to achieving their goals, even if they ultimately fall short. Use editing and storytelling techniques to amplify the tension and excitement. Leave your viewers wondering what will happen next. This is especially effective for tutorial-style videos. Highlight common mistakes and show viewers how to almost make them, then steer them towards the correct solution. This way they experience the tension of the near miss without the frustration of failure. The real story behind creating captivating content is understanding the human psyche. The near miss effect is just one tool in your arsenal, but it's a powerful one. Master it, and you'll be well on your way to creating videos that people can't resist. What if the real story is far stranger than we're led to believe? The next chapter is just around the corner. Don't miss out.